The future of laundry starts now. Meet Wash Fold Pro, the world's first all-in-one smart laundry system that washes, dries, irons, and folds your clothes completely hands-free. Every item comes out perfectly cleaned, dried, pressed, and folded, ready to wear. No more endless laundry days, no more ironing boards, no more folding piles.
With advanced steam technology, intelligent fabric recognition, and robotic precision, WashFold Pro brings professional care right into your home.
We are now developing the first working prototype, and your support will make it possible. Every contribution helps us build, test, and refine this unique machine. Supporters who invest €100 or more will receive a 30% discount voucher valid if the product enters serial production. Join us today and become part of this innovation from the very beginning. Yao. Nu. Dao. Fold. All in one. Help us build the future of smart, effortless living.